next important thing, what is the thing we are going to discuss today is types of planning. What is the thing? Types of planning. The types of planning can be classified under so many things, and it can be classified under 8 important headings, and each and everything it will be versus with another important thing also. So 8 plus 8 you people having how much types of planning? Now 6 types of planning you are having. First one, democratic planning. Democratic planning it will be versus with totalitarian planning. Another one, planning by direction. Planning by direction versus inducement planning. So first one, second one. And third important thing, short term, medium term and long term planning. Clear? And fourth important thing, functional plan and structural plan. Fifth important thing, centralized plan and decentralized plan. Sixth one, indicative plan and imperative plan. Seventh one, financial plan and physical plan. Eighth one, comprehensive plan with partial plan. Is it clear? So, already you people know very well what is the term planning. This planning is a separate concept, part B carry 2 marks. It is very important. Planning means it is nothing but it is a process by which attempts are made in order to achieve the desired target within specified period of time in a country, in order to achieve the growth and development of a country. Each and everything you know, each and everything already people come across. Over. Types of planning can be classified into 8 important main heading, and this 8 heading it will be versus with and it will be explained with another 8. So totally how many things you are having means 16 planning types we are having. First one, democratic planning versus totalitarian planning. Planning by direction with inducement planning. Third one, short term, medium term versus long term plan. Fourth one, functional plan versus structural plan. Fifth one, centralized plan with decentralized plan. Sixth one, indicative plan with imperative plan. Seventh one, financial plan with a physical plan. And last one, what is the plan we have written here? Comprehensive plan with comprehensive plan with partial plan. Is it clear? And we will see one by one in a detailed way. Wait.